y'all while I go grab his car real quick, man. Don't touch nothing up here, though, okay? Don't.
What's that?
Don't touch.
What's that?
Yeah, I'm dead serious, too, bro. I'm not playing, bro.
I can say, what's up, y'all?
Just talk to him.
Okay.
Look, all the people right here. These are all the people right here. They talking to you.
I know.
I think Ice Spice in the chat, too.
Okay.
So go ahead, talk to her.
Okay.
Talk to them. I'll be right back.
And I'm showing my car, too.
You gonna show your car, too? All right, I'm gonna bring it in here right now.
What's up, y'all? Either one. So what's up, y'all? You and Unveiling?
Say, Mike, you gotta say, appreciate the sub.
Appreciate the sub.
My nigga.
Y'all can't see it yet.
Whenever you hear that song come on, you gotta say thank you for the subs.
Thank you for the sub. Booty hey.
Bro, what?
Booty hey.
Alright, are you ready to see it?
Yeah.
Ask them if they're ready to see it, man.
Y'all ready to see it?
We gotta make some space in that bit.
Y'all got to turn it on.
We gotta make some space.
Y'all hear it, motherfucker?
Wait, do it over here, bro. Do it over here. Hold on. Turn it off real quick. I'm about to pick it up. Go stand right there, by the chair. Wait, just hop out, nigga.
Ice Spice can see it.
You want Ice Spice to see that shit?
Yeah.
You gonna pick her up in it?
Huh?
You gonna pick her up in the car?
Yeah.
What you gonna say when you pick her up?
I said, what's up, girlfriend?
Okay. Woo! Look at that nigga SRT, y'all.
Shut it in the back.
Check out Maya's new car, man. Nigga got a better car than me. Good SRT, man. You see it? That's the back of that, man. You don't want to show him your license plate, bro. Here, let me set it down right here.
Turn the hood on, Chris.
You don't want to show him your license plate, my nigga. Damn, bro. I got dirt all on my bed. Look, bro.
You did that.
You did that. That shit play music. Hold on, let me connect. Here, I got you. Chat, look at this shit. Look at this shit. This shit is actually cool as hell, bro. Cause look what his car does. Turn that bullshit off, bro. What is that, bro? Turn that shit off.
It's the music that you sing.
No. Play this, bro. Play this. Play this. Watch this right here. Hey, chat, watch this right here, man. This nigga car play music, bro. Oh, shit. Bro, Maya, stop pressing that, nigga. What's wrong with you, man? Damn.
My car's cool, my nigga.
You said what?
My car's cool, my nigga.
Bro, shit hella hard. Alright, bro. You ready to show him your car with the music?
Yep.
This is coming from the car right now, chat. This how you gonna pull up on niggas, Myers? Damn, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta keep you away from my girl, bro. Oh, that's how you pulling up? You gonna beat the horn when you outside Ice Spice house? Okay. How you do that? Oh shit, what's this one do? Damn, bro, this nigga got a
Congrats, gang.
Yeah, this one's turning the music on.
Nigga, did you just play DDG?
Yeah.
Donated $5. I'm finna get a new email from my bank in GL.
Yo, appreciate the $5 dono. You can't press that button.
Why?
Because it's gonna turn it off.
Turn DG on. I want to see.
share one sub. You said what?
I heard you hear DDG.
Sing that song. How it go?
Say do. I will. What I keep. Yeah, for me. Trizzy. Wait for Razzie or Reezy.
This nigga know the lyrics. All right, my nigga. Name 5 DDG songs right now. And you name 5 DDG songs, bro. I'll give you $1 million right now.
The DDG.
Name 5 DDG songs. I'll give you $1 million.
I will. What I keep. Yeah,
all right, that's one.
Yep.
Now sing another one.
Gra. Fall down the fuck up. It's drinking right up.
It's not DDG, my man.
What is it?
You said what? Hey, all right. So let me ask you a question real quick. You think your car is better than mine?
Yep.
For real? I ain't gonna lie, it is, bro. That shit hard. What's that weak ass music, bro? Turn that off, bro. That shit ass. That shit is ass. You like that song, bro? You need a retwist, gang? I know. Do you want to retwist my hair, you bitch ass nigga? Since you're announcing that to the chat, you need a retwist, gang. Do you want to be the bitch ass nigga to retwist my hair? Fuck you talking about, nigga? Don't ever tell me I need a fucking retwist, bitch. J-Man, what's good? Hey, what's good, murder? R.P. Alex, man. R.P. Alex. What is this music, bro? Yeah, I can never let Myers get on the ox, bro. Myers, you're ass on the ox, bro. That's some ass. What? Myers, your music is ass, bro. I'm gonna be honest, gang. You turned it off? You turned it off, my nigga? Alright, bro, stop, bro. This nigga's tripping. Hit the gritty shit 5. Hey, chat. How was y'all's day, man? Now, I got a very good, big announcement right now. So, Myers, bro. Fucking turn that shit off. Anyways, I got a huge announcement, chat. Listen, guys. You said what? This nigga keeps on playing this shit, bro. This nigga just keeps on playing this weak ass song. My nigga Trey sleepy, man. Vita was.
I don't even like to post in the gram, cause I'm just knowing niggas stalking me. She tryna do my hair, but I'm reforming it like Mozzie. Dick up in her legs, I done reached her upper body. I can give you all the answers, switch it up, but